He takes on the challenge of restoring a completely rusted knife. First, he scrapes off the thick rust and soaks the blade in vinegar. Hours later, boom! The acid loosens the rust, making it easy to brush off. Next, he uses high-pressure sandblasting to bring back the knife's original color. After a chemical treatment and a thorough polish with sandpaper, the transformation is unbelievable. But he's not done yet. He sharpens the blade until it's razor sharp. From a corroded mess to a gleaming knife, his masterpiece restoration is now complete.